Life in Japan can be pretty intense. You've probably heard about Japan's work culture, right? It's known for its hardcore dedication and long hours. The society here values disciplines, responsibilities, and order, which can make life feel tough for some folks. But you know what? In this fast paced and sometimes stressful culture, they found a cool way to unwind with festivals and holidays. They've got something going on almost every day of the year, and it's all based on some quirky logic. Some days even have multiple names for the same date. It's like they're always finding excuses to have a good time. It's like a kind of fun day therapy.
Welcome to Eat, Play, Heal with Yoki.
During my stay here, I joined a Japanese conversation class. Our teacher made it super fun. We'd chat about all sorts of things, and our teacher often threw in some fun anecdotes and brain teasers. We'd also talk about the different festivals happening in Japan, trying to understand how Japanese people think and speak. It was like a fun way to step into their unique world and learn some new words. And honestly, it felt like being a kid again. How wonderful is that? For example, on August 29th, our teacher asked, "What day is it today?" 今日は何の日ですか? Then, she helped us with number pronunciations. 2 is ni, 9 can be pronounced as ku, and 8 is pronounced as ya, in words like yaoya. So, put them together, August 29th became Yakiniku no hi, or grilled meat day. And since August is hot in Japan, it's like you're sweating buckets. So on grilled meat day, you grab some iced cold beer and feast on delicious barbecue, a perfect way to chill out. The next is, what day is the February 22nd? Turns out, it's Cat Day. Why? Well, the hint is how cats sound. And when we did our best cat impression, our teacher seemed a bit surprised. Apparently, Japanese cats don't say meow meow like in English. They go as nya nya nya. Again, 2 is ni, so February the 22nd became Cat Day. Now we know which day is Cat Day. Next question is, which day is Dog Day? Dog barks are different everywhere, right? In Japan, it's wan wan. So, Dog Day landed on November the 1st. Wan wan wan, which is similar to wan wan wan. We were like, what? How did they come up with that? Then, our teacher asked about March the 3rd. We pondered the Japanese and English pronunciations until she drew a little person with 2 ears. It turns out, March the 3rd is Ear Day, because number 3 looks like ears. And finally, she hit us with the ultimate challenge, September 12th. Can you guess its significance? Well, it's because 9 sounds like Q in English and also can be pronounced as ku in Japanese. 1 sounds as I in Japanese, and 2 kind of looks like Z. So when you put it all together, it's Quiz Day. We were all like, wow, that's really fun. And of course, we started doing some word puzzles. If you know some Japanese, give it a try and see if you can guess too. Niwa ni wa tori ga imasu. Hashi no hashi o motte hashiru. Kaeru toki, kaeru. Our class even learned how Japanese animals make their sounds. And who knows, maybe we'll use this knowledge to guess more quirky holidays in the future. It's all part of embracing the joy of everyday life in Japan. Neko, nya nya. Inu, wan wan. Ushi, moo. ライオン、ガオー。ヤギ、メー。フクロウ、ホーホー。ひよこ、ピヨピヨ。ニワトリ、コケコッコー。ゾウ、パウーン。カラス、カーカー。オオカミ、ワウーン。馬、ヒヒーン。Join me as we learn how to apply the principles of TCM to our everyday lives and live a happier, healthier life. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.